I'm Dr. Reena Jain, working as Assistant Professor Senior in Mathematics Division, SASL, VIT Bhopal. In VIT Bhopal, we are teaching the mathematics to our students by using Caltech, that is Collaborative Active Learning Technology. In Caltech is all about actually converting our teaching methods from the passive learning mode to the active learning mode. In the active learning mode, students are to involve themselves very actively in the problem solving processes so that they can use the mathematical concepts in real time problem solving. For Caltech pedagogy, our classrooms are designed in such a special way so that the student can sit in a group and they can perform the activities together to understand the topic very easily. We are teaching mathematics to our students, the mathematical concept and methods to using the ICT tools, and then we are asking our student to perform the activity by using some objects or some instruments as we are giving them. Like for example, if I am teaching the differential equation concept to the students, then I will be first teaching them the methods and the concept, what is differential equation and how we are using, what methods we are using to solve the differential equations. And then we are relating this differential equation concepts to mass spring system, because when we are attaching an object, a weighted object to this spring will start moving in a vertical motion. So this vertical motion and the complete system is governed by a second order differential equation, which we are relating to our second order differential equation concept. And then students are coming and performing in a group this activity, and they are finding out that at a particular time what is the position and what is the velocity of this moving object. So this we are performing as an activity of second order differential equation.